Kajelang jika Kynhun Myntri Halor ka khatsan tarik leber aja RPR Iakren Halor Jingiakren Iasuk berkeseng Hnlc laban kedua ni berkeseng Hnlc gladep har ka shithi jika sarkar jala na ka banta bantawi ka new trap peace committee.
The discussions are just starting, and therefore the interlocutor now will start the discussions. Once the discussions move forward, then we will be able to come to clearer. Right now, I think the interlocutor will have to start doing the exercise. So once that starts, then the entire picture will be clear.
But both the interlocutor and the Hnlc, they are saying they have not got the official letter from the government.
No, we have communicated through channels to them, and the communication has reached them, and they have also verbally, in fact, informed to us that they are agreeable to the individual that we have named, and so of course the process of all that will take place. But as I said, these are talks that have to happen at different levels. It's not as simple as just writing a letter or me calling somebody or somebody else calling somebody. So there is a process we have to follow in this. So all those processes are being done.